You are completely broke, but you want to make money online. Well, I'm gonna show you in this video 3 ways that you can start making money online even if you're broke. But first, we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way. This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. You're in Digital Marketpreneur channel, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to the channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys don't miss any of the strategies that I'm teaching on this channel for you guys to make money online. And in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways that you guys can actually make money online if you're completely broke and you don't need a credit card to get started, because getting started is very difficult sometimes, and you need a credit card because you need to purchase certain items for you to get started. Well, one of the best ways that you actually can start earning money is by going to a website that is called Teespring. Teespring.com. Now we're gonna click on that, and basically what this is you create designs for t-shirts, and it's basically like an affiliate marketing. You're the designer, and the designs are gonna go in t-shirts, they're gonna go in cups, as you can see, apparel, and all apparel, right? And phone cases, accessories, mugs, but we're gonna concentrate on t-shirts because t-shirts are, everybody wears a t-shirt, right? Who doesn't wear a t-shirt? And here you can take a look at the marketplace, and this is what people are being designing, so you can have an idea of what are the designs that are actually being created on this website. So the way this works is you make your design for your t-shirts, you set a price, and you start selling. Now Teespring handles everything for you. They do the production, the shipping, and the customer service, and you keep the profit. So let's say your t-shirt sells for $20. They give you a 50% commission on the sale. They do the delivery, and you keep the profit. That can be $10 per shirt. Now think about this. You didn't do anything but come up with the design, and to come up with the design, it's absolutely free. And you're probably saying, well, Carlos, that's awesome, that's great, but I'm not a designer, or I can't come up with a design. Well, this is why you have to be resourceful, and you have to use the tools at your disposal. They're completely free. And the first place you are gonna go is you're gonna go to Facebook, and you're gonna start by going to T-shirts. Okay, and there's plenty of Facebook groups, so t-shirts for men and women, and you're gonna click on that, and you see right here is a big design, born to love her, born to love him. And you can make something like that with a heart, right? Like a big heart. And I love her, I love him could be a design right there with a heart, right? But you don't want to copy anyone, okay? Because this is the thing that I want you to understand. A lot of people just want to go the easy way, and they tend to get in trouble. They want and go and copy exactly what these people are doing. Maybe you want to change it a little bit and still use some of the same designs. And as you can see, you can start your own Facebook group if you want to create a post with these designs and then have people go viral in them. And then what you're gonna do is you are gonna direct them back to to Teespring so they can purchase these t-shirts, right? So we're gonna go back out here and t-shirt market design, buy and sell, so you can get even more ideas. Like, look at this, countries, and you join the group and you get to go over there and meet people and you make friendships, and then you figure out what else is that you can design on it. Now, another thing is you can go to a website that is completely free, and the name is Canva, okay? Now, I noticed this recently while I was doing research to create this video, that right here they have, and this is brand new. So if you jump into this right now, you can create and design your t-shirts right now, brand new. Not many people are probably aware of this. I just happen to know this, but you got the mock-up right here, and there is a bunch of designs that you can use. They're all free. Look at this, they're all free. You can actually put this one, and this one can be for music, right? And then you add a couple elements right here, and you know, this one you can remove that and you can add something else, and that's your design for your t-shirt, okay? Maybe you want to add an element. There's free elements right here. Maybe you want to make that the money sign, right? Money. And then, I'm not a designer, but I'm just saying, and then you can change the colors, right, to make it pop. So as you can see right here, this says print. You can print your t-shirts, but you want to create the design, and then you want to bring it back to Teespring, and they take care of everything for you. But you can use this as the place where you design your t-shirts. You already get that idea from Canva, and it's completely free. Now, the second way you can actually start making money, even if you're broke, is you gotta go to Craigslist free stuff. Now, this one's gonna pop the area where I live. Now, I don't know where you live, and that's where it's gonna show where you're from and all the stuff there is for free. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and look for these items, and you're gonna see which ones are decent. Like this one right here, free on the curve. You can go get this, right? And you pick it up. It's near your house. You really don't have to do much. You make sure that it's close to where you live, and then what you gotta do is you gotta go pick this item, and you are gonna use Facebook Marketplace, okay? And let's go to the marketplace right here, and then you can list that for what you got it for free. You clean it, you can list it for $5, $10, $3. Look, there's a lot of free stuff right here too. Look, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, this one, this TV, this used TV, $60. This Xbox, $100. You can list your item, and you got it for free, and you're listing it for $15, $20, $30, and that's very simple to do, guys. Literally, you did a little bit of work, and you make $10, $20, $30, whatever is it that you can get from that Craigslist free stuff. Now, another place that you can go is Amazon merch, and you can join Amazon merch, and they do the same thing as Teespring. You design your artwork, set the price, they print and sell, and you earn your royalties for the sales. Okay, right here it says we pay you royalty on every product that you sold. There's no inventory risk because they print as they get the orders. All you do is create your designs, and then you track your success. And let's say you have 4 or 5 different designs. You can go and mix it with Amazon and mix it with Teespring, and you have the tools where you can design this one, and makes you money by basically not having to use a credit card. This is all free. This is our free tools that you can use. All you have to do is start right now. Start doing this, and then next year, if you stay with it, you might actually be making even more money than you ever considered when you first started. So this is completely free, guys. This is absolutely a no-brainer if you're very desperate for money, like we all, need sometimes a little bit of extra, and you don't just want to do overtime at your full-time job if you have a full-time job just like me. Okay, so the third way that you can actually make money online is by creating a Facebook meme page. Now you have a design, you decide that you want to go into politics, right, or gun control or dogs or cats, and you go to Facebook, and for once there's a science meme page, so you're gonna constantly post on your group, right? And every now and then you are gonna post something about science, something about gun control, something about anything, and you are gonna have them click on that link if they want to purchase those t-shirts, and eventually go to your Teespring store and purchase that specific t-shirt from your store. Now, and that's how you can make even more money, and you're posting constantly every day. It's free. It's free to start a Facebook meme page. There's a lot of YouTube channels that can show and teach you exactly how to do that, and you guys will make a lot of sales. So remember, all these are free tools that you got at your disposal that you can start using today, so you can start earning a lot of money if you're broke. So take advantage of this opportunity. 2020 is the year that you're gonna break out if you decide to take this into account. That is going to help you. If you want more strategies about how to make money online, look at the video that's coming right after this one, where you can learn even more ways to make money online. And if you don't want to miss any videos that I release about how to make money online and affiliate marketing, hit that button that says subscribe and hit the notification button so you guys get notified every single time I release a video with newer strategies to help you guys earn that extra cash. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video that's coming right up.